So I ended up staying the night now with Mike and Linda, and they have an absolutely lovely house. Look at me sleeping in a nice warm bed, and it's been really great. Tomorrow, still going to Milford Sound. That's one of my final missions, I think, before I settle down. But first, a good night's sleep in a wonderful place. Thanks, Mike and Linda.
Oh, look at that.
God.
Someone's taking care of my...
Spoiling you.
Oh, that's right. You're too good, Michael.
That's no worries at all. I know it's like getting
Cold butt in the morning.
Yeah.
So what's this area actually called then, Michael?
What? The Wakatipu Basin? Yeah.
Oh, look at this. I believe it's still like this set. Yeah, it was surprisingly late already. Like, I thought when we left the table it was almost, it must be like 9:30. Geez, 11:30.
Yeah. Yeah, just take it easy for the first. We were in the shadow of the mountain for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's pretty busy, that road. So
yeah,
road will be.
because when I stayed with someone in Queenstown the other day, and I left their place, and I was looking at the view, and then I would look back on the road, and all I saw was grit and frost. And it was like, whoa.
Yeah.
And I had to go down like this. It's pretty steep stuff.
Yeah. There it is. I want to have a recording of that audio.
Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Michael.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having me.
That's all right. Yeah.
Lucky me, this man came running up to me yesterday with the biggest smile on his face at the superstore.
Yeah.
Thanks
Oh,
so much.
here we are.
Thanks, Linda.
If you're back this way, by all means calling.
Yeah, awesome.
Drive safe.
Yeah.
I'll take a photo of that.
Let's not go sliding again. I'm ready for my shoot.
All right. Enjoy your day.
Yeah.
I used to have that camera.
Yeah.
I can't believe I went. He's at 8?
No, it's a 7. This one.
Oh yeah, it's almost like that.
Yeah.
That's the one I had for some of the most beautiful parts of the world. All right, thanks again, eh?
No worries.
I'll see you next time around here. See ya. All right, to the Milford Sound. This is the worst. It's so nice here. Now I have to slow focus behind these two. What we got, man? Jeez. Going.
Do you know where the school is?
No, it's getting involved with this one.
I'm not sure. Just rode up. Just saw this. Yeah.
That won't move anymore. I'll do it. Oh. No, this one's completely. This one's actually. See how we go. No, it's actually coming. It's coming. It's actually snapped off. That's the problem. Drag it into here. Yeah. It'll take a hour and a half for the tow truck to get it.
Is somebody going to direct the traffic here or not? Sorry?
I'll move my car.
Yeah, I was going to say, can you move this car a bit more and direct the traffic a bit? Because there's no way that people are going to be... Yeah, that's fine. That's
Only happened 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I understand that, but you want to move this one a bit more? Or can I help you?
You have a camera on your helmet?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
Are you alright?
wasn't me. So I'm just coming down the road here, and all I see is this car in the middle of the road, no traffic passing by, and it happened like just a few seconds before I came. Messed up. Well, a few seconds, a couple of minutes. Shit. These roads, man. Miss Busybody came 10 minutes later, talking stuff like people hadn't been doing anything. It's funny. I'll get back on the road. There's a lot of cars to overtake now. Jeez, all of this. There's a cavalry. This, of course, sucks for the people in it. These things just can happen so fast. You know, I've been in it myself, but on a motorcycle, it's a lot more discreet and you leave less of a mess. And it's almost like nothing happened, unlike with a car. See you fellas? All the best.
Cheers, matey.
That was some serious mist that we were going through 15 minutes, 20 minutes ago. And so cold too. So here it's much better again, but geez. Just figured also, damn, the moisture from the mist on the road can't be good. That's what it is now in the bag. This is not including windshield, this is in a black bag here, tank bag. It's the coldest day I think I've ever been riding in my life. At least on the road doing 100. It's probably 0 the whole time. Hello everyone, and welcome to another, yes, another glorious day in New Zealand. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful around here. Let's go. We're running late. Now this helmet now is going to be foggy, but at least there's not going to be any muddy ruts in front of us for the time being. But ice and frost, definitely a possibility. And I can't open the helmet too much because it's bloody cold. It really is. But now it isn't too super bad. It's about 5 degrees. Earlier today, I was mostly riding 0. And at some point, it got really cold in the area before 2.5 with mist, very thick, dense mist. And I really slowed down. Whoa, what the hell is all this stuff here? That's the gnarliest bit of road so far. Yeah, I really don't like this fog business. You really need a pin lock. Road is relatively slippery, a bit mousy. I've had to watch it today in some areas. I again will sound like Daffy Duck because this phone is pressing against my mouth. So yeah, fog, lots of fog there. What's going on here? Mirror Lakes. I'll have a look some other time. It's 4:30, sun goes down 4:15, not sooner. But it's past 4, that means it cools down rapidly, and I still haven't done the road to Milford Sound, which is notorious for black ice. But I already stopped here and there because it's really beautiful. On these straights I can make it at a time. Helmet's still a bit foggy. So yeah, let's see if that thing's on. I'm just gonna do this. That's all good. That thing's on. Fantastic. Yeah, on the way to Milford Sound. I only make it there in the dark. Before I was planning to make it here a lot earlier because I thought it might rain tomorrow. But it's actually looking like another beautiful, clear, blue day. Maybe some clouds, that's alright. In Milford Sound. Just generally, down south here, it has been fantastic, the weather. Unbelievable. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. On North Island, this gets covered by rain non-stop. You see this? You see this? This is it, man. Nice and wet near the rivers. That's the stuff that freezes up. And can potentially cost you your life if you don't watch it. Well, I saw an accident today. Didn't see it happen, but just arrived a minute or so later. These girls was veered off the road and boom into the, what do you call it? The fence, the barrier. Yeah, left a good dent in there. Car middle of the road. Holy damn. They were pretty damn startled, of course. Shaken up. Helped push the car off the road. Some other people. So that's a friendly reminder of to watch it in traffic. And it makes you think too, you know. Cars coming through the bend at the same time as you do. They can take you out so easily if they slip. Now this phone is pretty tight. Didn't put it in too well today. Earlier it was pretty damn cold. When this was happening, whew. It has been the coldest day so far, like just riding, I think, in my life.